sign into the Zoom in the web, go to the settings. You can see meetings. In meetings, go to the basic settings. You can see a polling option. This option should be enabled. If polling option is enabled, only you can conduct polls during the meeting. So make sure that is enabled. You can go to the meeting now. Let us start a meeting. Okay, now in the meeting window, you can see the poll. The poll option is coming in the window. So on clicking on that, you can see the polls that you created so far. If you didn't create any poll, just go for an edit option. So we have an edit option there. Click on the edit. Then you'll be taken to the page where you can create a poll. You can enter the title of the poll in that particular column. So I'm going to create a sample test or something. Okay, now below that you can add questions. So question 1, I'm going to add my first question, suppose question 1. And below that you have two options, single choice and multiple choice. See, in this one is actually you can select any one of them. If you're going to select single choice, students can select only one option as correct. Multiple choice is for those questions which can have more than one answer correct. Okay, I'm going to add questions one by one to the poll. I can add up to 10 questions, right? So I'm adding one by one. We have like 7-8 columns to give options. So I'm just going to use only 4 for the time being. I added 10 questions. Only 10 questions can be added at a time for a particular poll, and I added all the 10 questions here. Then you can go back and edit some questions if you want, so already we created that question, so I am going to edit that. Okay, you can save the poll. Right, then you can see the poll on the bottom of the page, the poll that you created now. Now if you want to launch the poll, if you want to conduct that test, you can go for the poll option and you can select the respective test poll. This is the questions we added, so right, that questions are coming here. All the 10 questions are coming along with its options. Right, then if you want to conduct the test, you can go for launch polling. Okay. Yeah, now the test in progress. See that particular test in progress, you can see the time on the top. That's the time up to which you're going to keep this particular poll for those who are attending the meeting. Okay, then this is the way how we are going to see from your side. Now somebody signing into this meeting to attend the test, when they log into the meeting, when they're just joined the meeting, their screen will be like this. You can see questions and with their options. So they can click any one options and they can go to the next question. And they can go back to the questions if you want. They can edit the options already they have taken, and they can go up to all the 10 questions they can solve and select the answers. Finally, they have to submit the test. After the 10th question, they will submit the test. So test is submitted, and when the test is submitted, you can see in your window, you can see 1 out of 2 is submitted. 50% is already voted, because we have only 2 attendees right now. 100% are voted. You are getting a summary of the results, the options they selected, right, like this. If all the students submitted the paper, they finished the exam, you can just end polling now. Okay, then it will be removed from all the screens. For those who are attending the meeting, this screen will be disappeared. There are 2 buttons on the bottom. You can share the result. Now the students can see what you're seeing on the screen. If you want to relaunch the test, click on relaunch polling button. But remember, clicking on relaunch button, already stored one will be removed. Now, how to get the result of the test I am going to show you. You go to account management, settings, account management, then go click on reports. Then there are so many options. We are going for meetings, right? Click on meetings. So you can see poll report. You have 2 types of reports, registration reports and poll reports. I'm going for poll report, and you can enter the date on which that poll is conducted. Okay, so there will be meeting ID and topic, and you can see the number of attendees attended the meeting and all. And we are going to click on generate. So you will get the generated poll report, and I am downloading it. Right, you click on download, so it will be coming to your computer. Right. Now let me open that file. That's an Excel sheet. See, look at this. That Excel sheet gives you guest 1 and guest 2 participants attended the test. They have email ID is given, and each of them attend question number 1 to 10, and its option is also there, right? Each question, the option they selected is also given there. So if you have the key with you ready, you can evaluate now itself. Out of 10 options, which of them are correct, you can put the marks on the right side, and your evaluation process is also done. Okay, so this is the way how we can conduct a test in Zoom.